Another useful tool in Git is the blame tool. With this, we can find the author of a particular line. So as part of troubleshooting issues, we may wonder who has written that terrible, smelly, disgusting line of code. That's where we use the blame tool to basically blame them for writing that piece of code. Here's an example: git blame audience.txt. Now, in front of each line of code in this file, we have some extra pieces of information. We can see the commit where this line was inserted. We can see the author's name and the date and time this line was inserted. Now, if we want to find the author's email, we use the -e option, -e. Now, instead of the name, we have the email. We can also filter by lines. So if you have a large file, we don't want to see all these details. Let's say we're only interested in the first 3 lines. So we type git blame -L, and here we say 1, 3. Now we only see the first 3 lines.